how to use our tool to search through transactions on your account. So if you go to Bithomp Pro, if you don't have it, it's easy to subscribe. So you go to Bithomp Pro subscription, choose for example 1 month, and it costs just 193 XRP. Yes, quite a lot, but if you want some extra functionality, maybe you can support our project, because it takes some resources to do what we do. And yeah, you can press pay. You can choose the wallet you want to pay with, like for example Summon wallet. Yeah, and you can pay 193. Then you're gonna get your subscription, and then if you go to my addresses, here you can add your address. So you can just find it by the username, for example, or by the service name. Name it the way you want it, like, I don't know, saving account, for example. Then you need to verify it. Let's do it with Saman. Where's my Saman? Give me a second. I'm gonna scan it. Scan QR code. Yes. Yes, and we have added the new address. You can see it here. It's named Saving now. And we started to synchronize all the transactions data. And it takes like 1-10 minutes. But then you can see the status here, queued. As soon as it's synchronized, we can update the page. Yeah, it's still synchronizing. As soon as it's synchronized, then we can filter it, search through, and basically you can do anything you want to export it as CSV. What else you can do here? You can see the couple checkboxes here, like you can execute escrows and cancel expired NFT offers, and that's going to be automatically happening for you from our side. So we have a bot which is going to execute your escrows which are ready. So the finish after time is passed, and also cancel your expired NFT offers. If the offer is expired, we're going to automatically cancel it for your address, and it's basically included in your Pro subscription plan. So let's update again. If it's synchronized, yes, it is synchronized. You can see the new status is synced. So now if we go to the view, like balance history, we can see 721 transactions here. And for example, you can see the latest first or the earliest first. So you can sort it differently. You can see the balances in 40 different currencies. It's already calculated and it's in our database. So for example, we want to see it in euros instead, and it's all changed to euros. Yeah, and here you can see the different filters. So if you have like 5 different addresses, you can get the history of all of them together. So 1,000 transactions load right away, but then you can load extra data, which takes just a second, basically, just one click, and you load all the data, all transactions for all the wallets. And then you can choose the period, like for the last 30 days, for example, only, or for the year, or you can set up your own period if you want. And then you can also exclude the dust transactions, which are very little. Yeah, so, and you also can export it as CSV file, and you can view it on your computer later. So let's just make a screen a little bit bigger. You don't need to see me, I guess. Yes, and yeah, let's make it even bigger, full screen. And update the page. Yeah, now we see the user interface with the open filters on the left side, which is easier to demonstrate. So here you can choose like 2 accounts. Then we have 5,000 transactions. You can see up to 1,000 transactions per page. Let's click that, and then you can scroll, and it's going to be, yeah, the browser. Yeah, so basically it's going to be 1,000 transactions per page. And it's also easy to go to other pages, like just click here, and this is like 1000 something page record. Click next, next. So it's super quick and easy to load, and it's actually 1000 transactions on one page. Then if you don't want to see these dust transactions, okay, maybe not so many dust in here. Let's go to the here, for example, like very little. Well, here. So if we click remove the dust, and it's gonna update and remove the dust transactions. So all the little transactions which are like spam, most likely, or just the fees you paid, they're gonna be removed. And here you can also see, like, you can sort differently, and each transaction you can click. It's clickable, and you can view what's happening in that transaction, all the changes and information. Yeah, thanks for watching.